crowded, but that's what you get when you want to budget and you got to take spirit.
But we're here.
But we're here.
We're here. That's all that
Experience.
matters.
We're hanging out with my brother.
My sister.
My brother.
What did you say about my brother?
What did you say about my brother?
See y'all at the stadium.
See y'all.
Fears away till the summer sunset on a holy who's got your rights and bright stars through the perilous fight. One
Alright, y'all, so we are finally in LA. The flight was like 4.5, 5 hours. Not my cup of tea, but it wasn't bad for real. So Shania, she's getting dressed, I think, and we're charging up our devices right now. That's her clear bag for the stadium. And we're about to get something to eat and then head to the stadium, probably have a nice little drink, and really just enjoy the vibe. I am definitely underdressed. I will do better in July. But like I said, this was last minute, so yeah, I literally got my ticket on the plane. I kid you not, I got my ticket on the plane. So yeah, y'all, so just stay tuned. And yeah, so we're literally taking a bus
To take a ride.
to the stadium. Make it make sense.
Hopefully we get there.
I love it. Can't wait to get a drinky drink.
The sun is like right this way.
Oh, he looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Don't look at my feet. We had to pivot.
Yes, we did. It's okay.
Okay, so we're
The lift is right here.
but
The zone. Oh.
So 30, you said 31, right?
Right. So,
No 30, these are only 20.
so I think this is the Uber zones. Lyft is probably down this way.
Okay.
Hey. So with this being her first stop on the concert, we are so excited because we don't know what to expect whatsoever.
At all,
There's
yes.
no footage out there.
spoilers.
No spoilers.
Fresh
like
eyes,
fresh
fresh
eyes.
mind.
Ah!
I'm so excited.
Super excited. I'm so glad. Really, you were joking.
I was joking.
You were joking.
I said, let me look at them tickets. And the tickets were so cheap.
Yeah.
Like, it was cheap-ish
Legit.
adjacent.
So,
You know? So, I think
yeah.
that's our girl. Is it a gray Honda? Black Honda?
9H.
I can't see her license.
It's a gray.
Behind this
Oh,
Toyota.
it might. Hyundai might be. No, this ain't it.
Oh, smart. Post it up.
So we're just here waiting on our Uber.
Hello.
Posted on the corner. This ain't Texas.
This ain't Texas.
This is LA.
This is LA.
Where you gotta ride to get to the car.
Literally. That was a whole trip in itself. To get here.
Crazy.
To get there.
All right, so how was your flight?
Honestly, it wasn't too bad, I guess. It was a little bit crowded, but that's what you get when you want to budget and you got to take spirit.
But we're here.
But we're here.
We're here. That's all that
Experience.
matters. Yeah, I'm so excited.
So, me too. I'm very excited. I can't wait. Hanging out with my brother.
My sister.
My brother.
What did you say about my brother?
What did you say about my brother?
See y'all at the stadium.
See y'all. Oh, they got the hat.
Yeah, I fucking love this shit. Everyone's in a cowboy damn hat. So I can ride him on I love that.
Oh, you can put your bag in the locker. What's the merch truck? Always gets the picture done.
I try.
SoFi Stadium is a smoke-free environment. Smoking and smoking implements are prohibited.
Oh, come on, Sunset. How are y'all? So, we are starving. Yeah, right? We're finally about to get some food. Chicken strips and fries. Just what we need. Absolutely. But it's beautiful here, y'all. It is so freaking beautiful. Could never.
That's my home. But
Oh, this is different.
I definitely would come back for the next tour just to come to this venue. And it's so organized. There's no way with that traffic, which wasn't even that bad, where we should have gotten in and we're late technically.
Literally.
And got in with no issues.
No issues. Right on through. Literally. Look who else that came to the rodeo from Atlanta. Yeah. The one and only. Yeah. Catch him.